Good morning, dear students. How are you? I am also fine. During the corona time, we are absent from our regular classroom. So we have to need arrange online class for the causes of your benefit and for the causes of our to build up a educated nation. Today I would like to discuss with you about punctuation marks and use of capitals and punctuation marks. Here is several sentence also given on the board, but there is no any punctuation marks. There is no followed any capital letter. There is no use here, but we have to need to correct this passage with using capital letter and punctuation mark. Firstly, I would like to read this passage. Dhaka is capital of Bangladesh, has its own attraction. It is especially famous for its mosques, buildings and monuments, both old and new. The old ones are as attractive as the new ones. There is a passage on the board, but there are several places we have to need use capital letter. There are several places we have to need use punctuation marks. Do you know what is punctuation marks? Yes, punctuation marks is a sign which indicates or which make the sentence legible, which indicates the stop, full stop, semi stops, the places of the full stops, semi stops, etc. Firstly, Dhaka. Dhaka is a noun. We have to need use. We know that before the starting alphabet of noun, we'll have to need capital letter. But here is Dhaka also. First letter is a small letter. So we have to need use here capital letter Dhaka. Dhaka. Here need a comma. Dhaka is capital of, it's also noun, so be turned into capital letter Bangladesh. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Here also need comma, has its own attraction. Own attractions. Here is comma, here is comma. Why we have used here? The sentence require to these two places are stop some while, some few moments. In this case, we have to need use in both place comma. And Dhaka is noun, so starting alphabet of noun, we should use capital letter. So in this place we have used capital letter D, and then Bangladesh is also a noun, and in this place the beginning alphabet of Bangladesh B, we have to use capital letter. So we have used here capital B, has its own attraction. It also finishing point of the sentence, so we have to need use here full stop. Then specially famous for its mosque, buildings and monuments, both old and new. The old ones are as attractive as the new ones. Can anybody solve this portion? Okay, I will help you. Here is it. as this sentence is finishing point, so the I turn into capital letter. It is specially famous for its mosque. Which word you which alphabet you have used here? Mosque. Also small letter, mosque, mosques, comma. Because of we use in this place comma because of there are several buildings such as mosque, buildings and monuments. There are several, more than one. In this place we have to use comma. If we find out any more than words, similar words or more than things or more than persons, this time we have to use comma after the name of this person, places or things. Mosque, buildings, and monuments. And monument. Is it need here full stop? No, because of it is not a finishing point. Both old and new, both old and new. Here you have need to use full stop. Is it finishing point? Yes, is it finishing point? So we have need to here use full stop. The as beginning point of the new sentence, so we have to need use the beginning letter of the word, the capital letter. So the T turn into capital letter T here. The old ones are as attractive as the new ones. This finishing point, so we have to need use here full stop. It's very simple matter, and it beginning or it containing, it brings or it contains 5 marks. If you be careful to solve the use of capital letter and punctuation marks properly, I think that you will be able to get the full marks in this place. Dear students, as we are passing the corona time, so we have to several boundaries. We cannot break these boundaries on the causes of corona crisis. If we remove from the corona crisis and our real classroom will start, this time we will learn elaborately and we will learn properly, and I will try to help you at my best. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.